For the function f of x is 2x squared minus 3x minus 2, we're going to find all this good stuff. So domain, remember to find the domain, you have to worry about three things. Is there any possible division by 0? Nope, we don't have any fractions with a variable downstairs. Any square roots, fourth roots, sixth roots, and so on? Nope. Any logarithms? Nope. So since there are no numbers to worry about, the domain is all reals. Whether it opens up or down depends on the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is 2. We call that A. Since 2 is positive, it would open up. We are in ABC format. In order to find the vertex when you're in ABC format, you could do what we did in the previous video of completing the square. We're not going to do that here. Or you can use the formula. The x-coordinate of the vertex is given by negative b over 2a. So that means that for us, b being negative 3, we'll have negative 3 over 2 times 2. Cleaning this up, we get an x-coordinate of 3/4. To find the y-coordinate, we put 3/4 back into the function. So we'll say 2 times x squared. Oh no. 2 times 3/4 squared minus 3 times 3/4 minus 2 equals, I don't know. It's over here. You can't see it, but I promise it's there. Did I not write it down? Oh my gosh. Let me pull in the big guns here. All right. 2 times 3/4 squared minus 3 times 3/4 minus 2. And I'm going to go to math. The very first option there, convert to fraction. Negative 25/8. I want to write a decimal. No. Write a fraction. So your vertex, that's an 8. Your vertex is 3/4, negative 25/8. Boop. Excellent. To find x-intercepts, you set the function equal to 0 and solve for x. You'll get 2x, 0 equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. We need to factor this. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 factors as 2x plus 1 and then x minus 2. If you don't see that, please go to my intermediate algebra videos and watch some on factoring. You should know how to do that by now. Setting each factor to 0, we get negative 1/2 and positive 2. So our x-intercepts are negative 1/2, 0, and 2, 0. To find the y-intercept, much easier, you put in 0 in for x. So we'll have 2 times 0 squared minus 3 times 0 minus 2. And that gives us negative 2. So as an ordered pair, that's 0, negative 2. Okay, the range goes back to parts B and C. We know the parabola opens up. So we have this kind of shape. We know that the vertex is 3/4, negative 25/8. Because the parabola opens up, does that make the vertex the highest or the lowest point? The lowest. So on the y scale, the smallest the y could be would be where the vertex is at, negative 25/8. And since it opens up, it could be anything bigger than negative 25/8. So your range is bracket negative 25/8 up to infinity. As for the graph, we would use parts C, D, and E, the vertex. Oh, no. Oh, geez. Well, here's where you'll be allowed to get a decimal. It's fine if you want a decimal. So it's negative 3, 1.25. Oh, no. Okay. Do we have enough room for everything? Yeah. So 3/4, negative 3-ish. So about 1, 2, 3. About right there. Oop, no, go away. About right there is the vertex. I'm going to put a V for vertex. Also, I want to erase this. Bad point. All right, we have x-intercepts at 2 and negative 1/2. We have a y-intercept at negative 2. So let's connect these points. I'm going to try to do my best. What are you going to do? It's good enough.